Hello students, welcome back to Standard 10 Mathematics 2 digital class. Continuing with Pythagoras theorem. Today we are going to learn about theorem of geometric mean. The theorem states that in a right angled triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. So here, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle, right angled at angle Q. And QS is drawn perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. Given in triangle PQR, measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. That means triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Segment QS is drawn perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Hypotenuse PR. So what is given here? A right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and QS is the perpendicular segment drawn to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex. Now, we know that by the theorem of right angle, similarity of right angle triangles, when an altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to each other. So here, which are the two triangles formed? Triangle PSQ and triangle QSR. These two triangles are similar. Let us write that. Triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ. So what is the reason? Similarity of right angle triangles. Similarity of right angled triangles. So these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then the sides are in proportion. So here we can write QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. So this can be written as QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ, means it is QS only. We can write it as QS. Then cross multiplying QS into QS, that is QS square is equal to PS into SR. So therefore QS, we can say QS is the geometric mean of PS and SR. Geometric mean of PS and SR. Next is proof of Pythagoras theorem. We have discussed about the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Now, how to prove Pythagoras theorem? What is the statement? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. That is, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. What we have to prove? the square of the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle. That is, here angle B is the right angle. The side opposite to right angle is side AC, which is the hypotenuse. So AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Proof. In right angle triangle ABC, segment BD is perpendicular to side AC. And by the similarity of right angle triangles, that is, if an altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, then the triangles formed are similar to each other and each triangle is similar to the original triangle. So by that property, that similarity of right angle triangles, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Now first we will take triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. If triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we can write AB upon AD is equal to BC upon BD. Is equal to AC upon AB. The reason is corresponding sides. Corresponding sides, if triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides. Now from this we will take AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Taking first and third ratios, cross multiplying, we will get AB into AB is equal to AD into AC. So what is AB into AB? AB square is equal to AD into AC. Let this be equation number 1. Now secondly, we take triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. Triangle ABC is similar to which triangle? Triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. Here also we will take the ratios AB upon BD. AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. So we will take second and third. BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Then again cross multiply. BC into BC is what? BC square. BC square is equal to AC into DC. Let this be equation number 2. Now, by taking these two equations, first equation is AB square is equal to AD into AC and second equation is BC square is equal to AC into DC. Rewriting the equations, AB square is equal to AD into AC, which is equation number 1, and second equation is BC square is equal to AC into DC, equation number 2. Here also what is the reason? Corresponding sides. Now adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 gives AB square plus BC square is equal to, that is left hand side is AB square plus BC square is equal to, what is right hand side? AD into AC plus AC into DC. AC into DC. And here with right hand side What is common? AC is common. We can take AC common. AC into AD plus DC is equal to AC into, now what is AD plus DC? These 3 points are collinear, ADC, 3 collinear points. Therefore, AD plus DC will give you AC. So, AC into AC, which is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This proves the theorem. That is, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. We can write this as AC. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.